Hey guys, in the last video I show you how to install WhatsApp on Android using the built-in Dual Apps feature. You can check the video description if you want to see the video. This is a great feature, but the problem is that you do not find it on all phones. So how can you install WhatsApp on all Android phones? In this video, I'm going to show you how to install WhatsApp Business on Android. WhatsApp Business is a free app that helps businesses communicate with customers more effectively. It includes features like away messages, greetings, and business profiles. The first important thing we need to say is that you need to have two phone numbers to have two dual WhatsApp. You cannot install two instances of WhatsApp with the same number. This is not possible, so buy the first two phone numbers. Install WhatsApp for Business on Android. The first thing you need to do is open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You can find the Google Play Store by searching for it in your app drawer or by tapping on the Google Play icon on your home screen. Once you're in the Google Play Store, search for WhatsApp Business. The app should be the first result that comes up. Once you've found the WhatsApp Business app, tap on the Install button. The app will start downloading and installing. Tap on Open. Now tap on Agree and Continue. The next step is to verify your business phone number. Write the phone number and tap Next. Tap Continue. WhatsApp will send you a verification code via SMS. Enter the code and tap on the Verify button. Tap Continue to allow WhatsApp for contacts and media files. Tap Allow. Tap again Allow. Tap Give Permission. Choose an account or add a new account. Tap Allow. The next step is to set your business name. This is the name that will appear to your customers when they message you. The final step is to build your business profile. This includes adding your business address, website, and working hours. That's it. You've now successfully installed WhatsApp Business on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Additional tips for installing WhatsApp Business on Android. Make sure that your device is running the latest version of Android. Check your internet connection and make sure that you have a strong signal. Restart your device. Clear the cache and data for the Google Play Store app. Uninstall and reinstall the WhatsApp Business app. If you are still having trouble installing WhatsApp Business, you can contact WhatsApp support for help. Here are some of the benefits of using WhatsApp Business. You can send and receive messages, photos, videos, and documents. You can create away messages and greetings. You can set your business profile. You can use WhatsApp Business tools to manage your messages and conversations. You can track your analytics to see how your customers are interacting with you. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have other questions.